Today's lesson is on identifying factors. So the first thing I want to look at is identifying what a factor is. A factor is basically, any two numbers that multiply together to equal another number. So when I'm thinking about the factors of 12, I have to ask myself what two numbers can multiply together to equal 12. Now every single number has at least two factors, and they would be 1 and then itself. So for this example, 1 and 12 would be factors of 12 because 1 multiplied by 12 equals 12. Next, I can then think about, would 2 be a factor of 12? Because 12 is even, then 2 multiplied by something can equal 12. So 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. Therefore, 2 and 6 are both factors of 12. Finally, I can ask myself, does 3 fit in the factors of 12? Well, yeah, because 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. So now I'm finished because, as you can see, there's no numbers between 3 and 4 that are left over. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, you might see something like a factor rainbow. So factor rainbows just basically connect the factors that multiply together to equal 12. So I know that 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4 make 12. Okay? Now, using those factor rainbows, I can actually then draw arrays. So an array is basically a visual that helps people see how many equal rows would equal 12. So for the first one row of 12. So one row of 12, that would just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the next one would be the 2 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 2 rows of 6. And then finally we have the 3 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. That's what an array would be called. So let's just do a couple more examples of that. Let's find the factors of a number such as 24. The first two factors of any number are 1 and itself. Next, how about 2? 24 is even, so yes, 2 would work. Now 2 multiplied by what is 24? That would be 12. Would 3 be a factor? Does 3 multiplied by anything equal 24? Yes, 3 multiplied by 8. How about 4? 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. Now, the only number left in there would be now a 5. Does 5 multiply by anything to equal 24? No. We know that because multiples of 5 end with a 0 or 5. Okay, so let's draw the factor rainbows. 1 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8, and 4 multiplied by 6. Once again, we could do arrays. So let's just do some of our arrays. We can do one row of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 2 rows of 12. 3 rows of 8. Okay, now I'll stop there. There's still one more. That would be 4 rows of 6. Now, as you can see, the most rectangular array is always going to be 1 and itself. As you get closer to having the numbers like similar, such as the 3 and the 8 are close together versus the 1 and the 24, it actually becomes more square, or this is still a rectangle, but it's getting closer to being a square. So that will help on some of your questions as well. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out for describing and identifying Factors of any number.